great. I'm so sorry about this, but I brought a lot.
Whoa! Hey, that's okay though. That's okay. We got a lot of signs. I like. They want me to make it big or small?
It's up to you.
Okay, I'll make it big then. Oh wow, you bought a lot.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Can you like make this one smaller?
All right.
The rest.
But I appreciate you though. I really do. And saan ko kayo galing today? Taga dito nga lang pala. Okay. Thank you so much. Appreciate you coming here.
Pero yung passport ko lang yung naiwan, kaya isa-isa lang sila.
Ah, sayang naman. Pero okay lang. Wow, ilang album to? Ay, ilang photobook?
16 ata.
Wow. Alright, thank you so much.
Me again. And I'm really so sorry for this because I brought a lot of...
Of course, I love a lot of day tours. That means anchors are really full support.
I'm not really lucky, so I thought I'll just buy my way into becoming VIP. It worked.
It worked. Oh my gosh, how much was all of this together? You know? Di na wanna disclose. I think it's a lot of money.
I'll find out when I get my statement.
Oh my god. Sana hindi ka ma-shock masyado.
I'll work hard for you guys.
Aww. We will too, we will too.
Yeah, you can see that.
Thank you. So sweet.
Sorry.
Did you get to keep our Polaroid kanina? Mag-iwala, okay? Special memories.
Yeah.
Okay naman yung kinalabasan, hindi yung madilim.
Maliwanag nga siya.
Maliwanag naman. Yung iba kasi minsan madilim and blurry eh.
Nilagyan ko na siya ng face.
Wow naman. Papa-frame niya na.
Hello, kamusta ulit kuya? Pero yung iba talaga, kahit isa lang yung nabili nila.
Kaya nga
VIP na sila, daya talaga. Pero ganun talaga yung buhay.
Kumusta naman?
Okay naman, nakapagpahinga kami ng 4 na araw.
Oo.
So, ayun, tulog, gising, kain.
Ang ganda ng video na in-upload ng... Hindi ko lang kung ano yung ginagawa mo doon. Kung may pictorial ba yun or something.
Oh,
Really nice.
thank you, thank you. Di kayo napagod kakatayo?
Hindi lang. Basta parang ginagawa niya.
Tulungan na rin.
Ayoko na.
Dami na. Habang tumatagal, ilang kilo na yan. Ano yan? Bring it on!
Kumain ka na?
Kaninang umaga.
Kaninang umaga pa.
Nag-ano ako, nag-1 meal a day ako.
Same tayo, same.
Ay ko din. Anong oras ako kumakain?
Naka-calorie deficit ako eh. Lunch lang. Hindi na ako nag-dinner.
What's up, kids? Sorry, medyo papagurin kita ng konti.
Okay lang po. Huwag nagalan. Sanay na yung kamay ko sa kakapirma. Thank you. Bigat na ito ah. Hindi po kayo nabibigatan.
Medyo lang.
Yay! Dami nito. Bigat na ito.
Ginalas na ako. Medyo marami to, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Ang dami! Ilan pinili mo? Ano yan? 16? Kailang umaga. Nag-1 meal a day ako eh. Bakit? Ang taba ng mukha ko. Hindi naman. Okay lang. Huwag na ikaw. Ba't ikaw? Oo, ikaw din dapat kumain ka. Kumakain po ako lagi. Si Kyler sabi niya sa akin, nag-1 meal a day daw siya. Si Kyler. Sorry,
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Sino po kasama naman? Isa ko lang. Pero man, yung mga friends ko dyan sa taas. Next time ang concert. Thank you, Jiro. Ingat kayo.
Nice to meet you.